I'm your friend Rahul, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your website from Google AdSense account. So as always, without wasting any time, let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to log in into your AdSense account and you will see this screen. In the left side bar, you have to click on sites. Once you click on the sites, you will see all the sites listed here under your one Google AdSense account, and you can select the site which you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this website jobsyntax.com. So you can see this icon, delete this site. Just hover it and press delete this site. And are you sure you want to delete jobsyntax.com and related subsites? I will click on continue, and you can see that message jobsyntax.com is deleted. So this is very easy. This is how you are going to delete any website you want to delete from Google AdSense. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.